Before the flood, before the years, they stood as wardens over clay, unseen above the light of day. Eyes of fire, hearts restrained, bound by law that heaven ordained, till hunger woke and what was pure, and made the eternal